My name's Tim Peterson. I have been at Cardinal Heating for 26 years and I am the operations manager. I think the culture here is great. We have people from every walk of life and we really just enjoy each other's company. Everyone knows your name here. We try to empower everyone. We try to make sure that everyone feels welcome. This has been one of my one and only jobs, to be quite honest. I've been here 26 years. It's a family-run business, and even though we're over 100 employees, it still feels like a family-owned business. The owners at Cardinal Heating are very interactive. We see them on a daily basis, interacting with them every single day. And they know every single person's name in the building. It really feels like a great atmosphere. My favorite part about working at Cardinal is the employees. I really like working hand in hand with the employees to see them grow. I've had a lot of different jobs, probably 5 or 6 different areas. This is the one that I'm enjoying the most right now. Being able to work with the employees on a day-to-day basis, seeing when they're successful, I feel successful as well. It's a great way to empower another person. We have employee engagement where we get to discuss their family, their day-to-day lives, things that we can do at Cardinal to make it better. We've got all 3 trades. We've got plumbing, heating, and electrical. They all work great together. There isn't any differences from group to group, as well as the internal staff from the CSRs, the dispatchers, all the coordinators. Everyone gets along great. It's a great place to work.